Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to export any of the custom table in Magento 2. So one of my like s- uh, subscribers said that I want to export the custom table. So I have prepared a tutorial on how to export any of the custom table using the command line in the form of the CSV. So let's start the tutorial. So let me move to my localhost PHP my admin. So here is my table, that is custom. So it is my custom import table which have the name and the duration and the entity ID. So I want to export it. So how I'm going to export it? Let's have a look on it. So first of all, if somebody doesn't know about my previous tutorial, so let's check out. This is for my CLI. So here you need to go to the etc. Here you need to go di.xml. Here I'm going to add my command custom import export CSV file, correct? After that I need to go to my um, there's console command. Here we have import export CSV file. So here I am writing all the code. So it's the same one. Just what we have to change here, we have the export custom description parent configure, and here we are calling the export CSV file. So here I am writing all my logic. So here I'm getting all the headers. After that I'm getting the custom table from the custom import, and I am just mapping the getting the data from the entity ID name and duration. After that I will create the CSV file in the form of the date time, and it will save in the var directory structure, right? So here are the headers that we are using, what headers we want. Okay, after this you need to just go to the terminal and you need to just type the command Rajnikant export custom. So what the command says, Rajnikant export custom. Okay, I'm going to just write the table and enter it. Okay, so it is coming. So I think okay. So let me check it is coming or not. Let me go to my code. This is where you can see the file is created. I'm going to open it, and you will see entity ID name and duration is coming and the CSV is properly created, right? So here in the console command we don't know whether this is successful or not. So let's take an example how we can get log write this that CSV export is done. So I need to go at this command, or let me add, where is set a definition with option list. Okay, so here we can already here we can write the things in the custom import. Where is export.csv? Your output should be required in custom import. Execute function it is required. So here we go. Set execute function it is there. So here you can write it. Export created with the following data. I'm going to go and just delete it and going to create the again. So we'll get to know whether this is done or not. Export created with the following data, correct? So it is created again and it is opening with the same, right? So this is how we can export the any of the custom table in Magento 2 using the CLI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.